Want a really quick activity? Make a do-it-yourself paper chain garland with ideas for indoor activities for kids on each paper chain strip. The kids can take off links to find fun things that they can do on school break or on a snow day. We've all made paper chains before. If you have a younger child, you can draw lines on here so they can cut strips that are about the same width apart. So I'm drawing lines on the paper that are the width of my ruler, which is about 1 inch wide. I have 3 sheets here, and I'm going to cut them all at the same time. So now we're going to write an activity on each one of these strips that we could do over the break or on a snow day. There's a whole list of ideas on the post on the Welcome to Nana's website. Here's some ideas. Fold origami stars. Make paper dolls. Have an indoor scavenger hunt. Have a dance party. Play games. Put on a play. Make homemade granola bars. Put together a puzzle. Make ice cream in a bag. Have hot chocolate. A movie night. Make a secret decoder. We could go on and on. Isn't that fun? Be sure to choose the activities that your children would like and that you are able to help with or do with them or provide the materials for. But there's a whole list on the website to get you started with ideas. I'm sure you've made a paper chain before. You can connect the links with either tape or a glue stick. You make each one into a link with the wording inside of the link. So there's a little bit of a surprise as to what they're going to get when they open it up. And then you do the next one, and you can either use the glue stick or a piece of tape. Oh, I guess you could use a stapler too, and just staple each link. That would even be faster. Now you can just keep adding links to your chain and make it as long as you want. Just put an activity on each one, hook the rings together, and then you can hang this up somewhere, and the kids each day can grab a link and they'll have an idea of something to do. You don't have to finish them all on Christmas break. You could use this for any weekend or snow day as well. I hope you enjoyed making a paper chain garland with these indoor activities for kids written inside. Grab a link and have some fun over your break. Happy New Year from Welcome to Nana's. For more ideas, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.